Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my new look. Hope you like it. Today I am doing I tried to follow a so-and-so's makeup tutorial and I chose to do Itslikelymakeup. Her name is Jordy. She's from British Columbia. She's super sweet. She's an artist, okay? She's not just a makeup artist. She is an artist, okay? And one of the first tutorials I watched was her transforming herself into Lana Del Ray, and today that's what we're gonna do. And she does something so magical, and she's so good at just transforming herself into other people. She has a bunch of tutorials. She did Kat Von D, Megan Fox, she did Lana Del Ray, and she makes it look so believable. Like, you look at the thumbnail and you're like, oh my god, it's Kat Von D, and oh my god, it's Lana Del Ray. It's fucking Jordy, guys. She's an artist. I definitely recommend a subscribe to her. She started her video out with her brows and foundation already on, so her brows were covered so that she could mock Lana Del Ray's because hers were a little bit lower. This is the best I could do on mine. I just used a little bit of Michael's hair gel and brushed it through with a spoolie, and then I tried to cover them as best I could. I used literally like 7 layers of concealer and powder, and this is what I came up with. So we're going to do this. If everything seems a little bit light, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to do the highlighting thing and everything that she's doing and hers. So let's get into it.
I'm gonna jump right into the contouring.
So she's starting her contour.
My Anastasia cream contour kit in Fair. I'm going to start by contouring my cheekbones. Hers are higher than mine. I would normally contour about here, but for this look, bringing it up.
Okay, chill. Chill for a sec, Jordy. Right. Starting her contour, and she said she's doing it a little bit higher.
About here, but for this look, bringing it up.
Bringing it up.
To bring that down on more of a slant. Just looking at photos of
so
her,
instead of cupping her cheeks, we're
down.
She's blending with that much too, but I can't do that.
And
she's getting ready to tell us that everything is going to be super exaggerated because we are literally morphing our faces into another human being.
Exaggerated because I am trying to make my face look like someone else's face. Under the cheek contour, I'm going to add a highlight. Make this area of my face come forward and to accentuate that contour. Now I'm going to contour my Her chin is a little bit more straight across than mine. So I'm just going to go in and shade it right across. And then she has a really straight jawline. Literally just trying to draw her face onto mine. She has a tiny bit of a dimple on her chin as well. Right now I just look like I have a...
This is something I've never done before. I've never done this transforming my face
thick chin strap
into somebody else's face kind of thing, so... Did my jawline just change?
Now going in with one of the light shades.
Okay. Now she's taking a light shade.
Highlight and accentuate.
Just using Shape Tape.
And just bringing this highlight over to make it look like my chin is wider. I'm going to add a little bit of shading top of the chin right here. Now I'm going to move on to the nose, which is always my favorite. Okay, so her nose is really, really skinny.
I never contour my nose, so this is gonna be
wider at the top.
Alright, it's gonna take me a minute.
Also has cute little shape on the end of her nose, and she has that super cute little line that goes down that I probably will draw again after I blend it all out. I'm just pretending that I have eyebrows to attach my nose to.
Okay, we'll bring that up then. I guess I really didn't need to black out my eyebrows.
I'm adding these lines down the sides to make it appear that this part of my nose is smaller. And then shading this area of my nose to kind of just make it disappear. Now that I'm somewhat happy with the shape, I'm going to go in and add some highlights and see how it looks.
What?
I'm gonna shade a little bit above my nostril to make this part look like it comes down farther, because I think that's why it's not quite looking like her nose, is that my nose doesn't have this little piece, it just has a ring in it.
Oh my god, you guys.
I'm gonna leave the nose as is for right now because I feel like I've been working on it for a really long time.
Yes,
I'm gonna add some quick shading to the top of my forehead. Oh, not too worried about the forehead because I am going to put on a wig. Alright, I'm gonna go in and set some of these areas with powder.
Hang on, Dorney, hang on! Okay, I'm not putting on a wig because I don't know where it's at, so we're going to blend this out. And then she's setting and baking, okay. Do I look like Lana Del Ray yet? Oh my god, I don't think so.
It is time for brows. So the reason that I covered my brows is that her brows sit significantly lower than mine do, and so I wanted to cover mine. For her brows, I'm going to use the LA Splash Ultra Defined Brow
Dip Brow, everybody.
Mousse in Dahlia, and just looking at a picture of her brows, I'm going to put them on my face.
Shit.
Done. Oh my god, can you imagine? I look I look like some kind of creature right now. Oh my god, I look so weird. So weird. I'm just taking my Happy Girls Shine Brighter palette from Tarte. I'm gonna grab that white.
How are we doing, guys? Her brow kind of went like way longer than my natural brow, so I'm gonna have to... And then she tried to make it look really bushy, but thin. So here I go with that. That's what we're doing. Okay, let me just, I'm gonna carve these out. Even though she did it, I just feel like I need to because I couldn't block mine out as much as she did, so. Okay. Oh.
Pop some hair strokes into the brows.
Oh, she's putting a different dimension in her brows with a different color, so I'm doing a dark brown from the highlight.
It feels weird not to
and contour shade from
them,
Anastasia.
Back to the eyes. I'm gonna keep it super simple. Just gonna grab this light brown.
I kind of like this brow shape on you guys. What the freak?
I'm just gonna put that in the crease. Just in a really
Oh shit! I fucking missed a bunch of steps. She's setting her whole lid.
I'm just gonna pop some hair strokes into the brows. Looking a little two-dimensional.
Okay, she set her whole lid.
It feels weird not to gel them, but there's no hair. Back to the eyes. I'm gonna keep it super simple.
Oh shit! I have that palette. Hang on. Oops. So she's using this shade.
My Urban Ultimate Basics palette.
And she's using a little tiny dome brush to shape her eye.
I'm just gonna put that in the crease, just in a really round shape.
Round?
Really round eyes. Going back to the brows.
Okay, you go back to the brows. I'm gonna work on this, okay?
That's better. That just had too much of an arch.
Do mine have too much of an arch?
It's a little bit better. Getting real fed up with these brows.
You guys, I don't look anything like Lana Del Ray!
Before I went back to the brows. And I'm just blending that out, and that is all I'm going to do for the upper lid. In the Love music video, she has like the thinnest wing ever.
Oh shit, you guys were gonna do a little thin wing?
Using my Kat Von D tattoo liner.
Okay, I'm using the Wet n Wild. I'm gonna pause her. I'm going to try to do this really thin wing. If you know me, I don't do thin wings. So, here we go.
She's doing a super long little baby wing. With a wing that thin, you only get one chance.
Yeah,
okay.
I already blew it. Alright, let's get this one on. Oh my god, you guys, I fucked it up, the wing. I fucked up the wing.
And then in the video, she's just wearing a half lash in the outer corner.
How do you fucking know that shit? Okay, that literally does nothing, but go on.
And Cherry 510 lash, chopped in half. While the glue is getting tacky, I'm going to put on some Essence Snowflake Shadow as a highlight.
Oh, no. Normally I'd wait for that glue to get tacky, but since this lash band is so tiny, I'm just gonna literally pop these on and just let it dry on the lid. Okay. And then we'll put mascara on. Okay, so we still have this bake on, you guys. Okay, so she's using white as a highlighter. So this is Nicole Guerrero Forever Lit.
And nose.
Cheeks.
And a little bit to my chin. Under my pretend brow.
Chin.
And then this lash should be ready. For the lip, I'm going to use a Bite lip pencil in number 14.
I do have that lip pencil, you guys. I just don't know where the frick it is.
I'm bringing them
So,
over
this is the Givenchy number 9. Number 9? Number 9.
And I'm going to use a Skinny Dip Gloss by DNA Cosmetics.
Okay, and she overdrew her lips. And she's just using a gloss.
I'm just going to add some Jumbo Milk Pencil my NYX in my waterline. I'm gonna put a tiny bit.
Shit! Fucking stop! She's too fast.
Of black liner along the bottom lash line. I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush from my Ofra blush.
And then she also put mascara there, but we missed that part. Dude, she's still on bake on?
Ofra blush book.
Okay, what color blush?
And then I'm gonna give it a spray so it doesn't look so powdery.
Oh! Was I supposed to wipe this bake off at some point in time?
And put on my wig and style my hair.
Okay, we're not putting on a wig, so.
In the video for Love, her hair is really dark and she has the bangs pulled back. And she has all these
okay, you guys.
little daisy type flowers.
Put it down like this. And bobby pin the sides back. If you guys follow her on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. She goes like this. But she parts her hair in the middle, actually. She pulls it really tight right there. Really tight right there. So that's just gonna compromise for us not having a wig. Okay? So this is me. Lana Del Ray. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget about my giveaway that ends on March 5th. That's basically everything I have to tell you. This is just something fun. I didn't go to work today because the roads were way too bad for me to drive on because it was a little snowy. So I'm like, you know what, I need to film something. So I wanted to do this challenge, and I might do another video, but who do you guys want to see me do? Because this was just my preference. I wanted to challenge myself and do something I've never done before. So that's why I did this one. And Jordy, if you're watching this, mwah, I love you. I think you're an amazing artist and you really inspired me to transform myself into Lana Del Ray. My cheekbones actually look poppin', but it's like an unnatural poppin'. You know what I'm saying? I bet if I use less blush, I'd look a little bit more like Lana Del Ray. You think? Maybe. Okay, well, I will see you guys on the next video. Mwah!